Joanne is looking for the other evidence in relation to the case we've already filed. There's tons of it. She's just trying to go through. Her dad had a stroke, I think, yesterday, which was unfortunate. He's had a few heart problems. So she's a little bit, there's going to be just a few delays, probably about the next 4 or 5 days anyway. But from my perspective, I'm proceeding with making, from Michael's call, the case we filed. Let's get that really robust. Let's get the correct quantification of the losses. And that's, what I'm progressing on.
So can we just, so we're, in terms of the only 2 additional things that I've recommended that go in from what you've sent up, unless there's other material, is the material which is the important message from Margaret, which she's posted, and I think that goes to your claim for aggravated damages because it's more of the same.
Oh, in terms of aggravated damages, we have tons of I mean, I suppose if we had to,
that goes to aggravated damages. So that was one that I thought went to aggravated damages, and then the subsequent one, the email in of the 16th of March, again, that I thought was defamatory because it was making of you personally, because it was imputing that you are making unauthorised access to personal data and you're making unauthorised use of that data. I think that needs to go in with the 3rd publication.
Yeah, I agree.
That is really, that's the core of it, because at the end of the day, you are in the business of, your business is all to do with security.
Exactly.
If people think that you can, you're going to make unauthorised use of their data.
Well, that's right, and this is what they're trying to promote, and all these themes are the same, and they've already been put on notice so many times. In December, I wrote to them with a cease and desist. Other parties have written cease and desist. They're just not doing it, and I think the only next step is, given the fact this is going on, is getting an injunction. Now, I wanted to ask you, obviously the injunction prevents them sending any further garbage all over the place. Would an Australian injunction would that prevent them sending stuff in the UK, or would a UK injunction be required as well?
Well, I don't think she's here, so that should stop her from sending. You should be able to, because she is physically here, to stop her from sending anything out anywhere, because the injunction attaches to her conduct.